Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: bungle, B-U-N-G-L-E. Efficacious, E-F-F-I-C-A-C-I-O-U-S. Bungle, done very badly in a careless or a stupid way. Synonyms: mishandle, mismanage, spoil, botch, flub, gum up, mess up, drop the ball, louse up. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: succeed in, manage successfully, do well, fix, help. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he must understand his position so as not to bungle the thing. Efficacious, successful in producing a desired or intended result. Effective. Synonyms: productive, effectual, fruitful, efficient, constructive, operative, powerful, influential, capable, adequate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unproductive, fruitless, ineffective, weak, incapable, impotent, inoperative, unfruitful. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: yoga is very efficacious at reducing stress. Clamor, C-L-A-M-O-U-R. Subversive, S-U-B-V-E-R-S-I-V-E. Clamor, a loud and confused noise, especially that of people shouting. Synonyms: racket, uproar, yell, scream, outcry, howl, shout, agitation, hue and cry, ferment, bustle. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: silence, calm, order, peace, agreement, harmony, quiet. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the children were all clamoring for attention. Subversive, trying to destroy or damage something, especially an established political system. Synonyms: inflammatory, insurgent, riotous, overthrowing, perversive, incendiary, insurrectionary, dissident, saboteur. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: loyal, obedient, law-abiding, mild, inoffensive, harmless, safe, centrist. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they were expelled from the country for subversive activities. Allude, A-L-L-U-D-E. Legitimate, L-E-G-I-T-I-M-A-T-E. Allude, to mention someone or something without talking about him or her or it directly. Synonyms: imply, mention, hint, point, indicate, insinuate, intimate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: specify, ignore, forget, publicize, announce, declare, delineate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Jeeva mentioned some trouble that she had at home, and I guess she was alluding to her husband. Legitimate, to make something legal or acceptable. Synonyms: lawful, admissible, licit, just, reasonable, sensible, correct, fair, genuine, verifiable, accepted. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: illegal, illicit, unlawful, invalid, improper, incorrect, wrongful. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he should at least give a legitimate excuse for being late. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.